Hey guys, welcome to the video. This week we're checking out Western Canada's first oil well. It is in Waterton Lakes National Park, so I'm unable to fly a drone, but we did get some cool footage of the oil well. This particular monument was installed, I believe, in 1968. It's a steel representation of the original drilling rig, but anyways, if you don't mind, on your way out of the video, if you could hit one of the thumbs, preferably the one pointed up, it does help out a lot. Remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe if that's something you're into. Share the video with a friend who you think might enjoy it. But until next time, bye-bye.